Hello everybody, my name is Gavin, also known as WebBuzzFeed, and today I will be teaching you about CSS or cascading style sheets. Here's a CSS example. This is a paragraph. I just typed this up right quick. But yeah, you can see that. But anyway, in this video today I will be teaching you how to add CSS into your own HTML document without having to create a new CSS document and still using the language HTML. Alright, so basically, in case you didn't know, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Styles define how to display HTML elements. Styles were added to HTML 4.0 to solve a problem. External style sheets can save a lot of work, and external style sheets are stored in CSS files. An HTML document can be displayed with different styles, and yeah. So today we're just going to be going over everything there is on the w3schools.com. We're going to be going over all of these, and we'll do these and later on videos tomorrow. I said I wasn't going to upload this until the next day. I lied. But yeah, so we're just going to close out and keep all of this, and then we're going to go ahead and alright, so how you add CSS, again, cascading style sheets, into your webpage.html is you have to make these styles, and then you have to close the style. Alright, right now we're going to work on CSS syntax. So we're just going to put paragraph, I'll make it color red, text align, we're just going to say right. Then we're going to close it off, and we're going to end it with that. Alright, now if we save this, and we open up our web page, it'll say over here to the right, this is a paragraph. Now, you can also change the size. Alright, so how we do that, enter font size, and let's just say 14 pixels, which is actually decently large. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and Control S that, and we'll see that nothing changed. Why not? So let's just put this as 20 pixels and put this as center. See what happens now. See, it's aligned center and it is bigger. Alright, but what if we want to make the header? What if we wanted to make the header a like this? Well, what you want to do the same thing like you did over there. H1 color. Let's go ahead and make it. Let's make it blue. And that's all we're gonna add right now. Control S that, and it is blue. Now, what if we want to, the background a different color? Well, what you want to do is you want to go in here, and you want to go to body. Alright, you don't go in there though. You go right here, you put body, and then you go back down here, and you open it up, background / color. Let's go ahead and make it unsigned DOC or D 0E 4FE. And let's go ahead and close it. Now let's see what this does. Oh, I made the background to be a different color. This is a color code. I'm just gonna go open a website that has color codes, HTML colors. If you go to w3schools.com/tag/ref_color names.asp, right there, you will be able to have all these colors to your availability. So you can just be like, oh, I like that maroon color. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So yeah, we're just gonna put these off to the side. So let's go ahead and 80000. Was that the right one? No, it was not. I think we need one more zero. Or one less zero. I can't remember. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe those are O's. No, they're not O's. They're zeros. Color. Let's just make it. See if it will answer to maroon. See what happens. It actually changed it to maroon. But now that we did that, why should we make this purple so you can see it better? If I can say. And now it's purple. CSS is actually pretty simple if you really think about it. I mean, it's not like, look at this. Does that look very hard? And it made some really cool stuff. Alright, now what else you can do is you can put comments. So like right here, let's just say this and then a star and put this is a comment and then star / if we save this, nothing will change. Oh, sorry, my bad. You can't put it right here. You have to put it within style. My bad. My mistake, guys. So now if you control F it, we go over here. It will not be there. Nothing will change. Bam. So that's how you enter comments, but they must be within the CSS style code. Now we're gonna work on IDs and class. The ID and class selectors. In addition to setting the style for an HTML element, CSS allows you to specify your own sectors called ID and class. The ID selector is used to specify a style for a single unique element. The ID selector uses the ID attribute of the HTML element and is defined with a pound key. The style rule below will be applied to the element with ID equals para1. Note, do not start an ID with a number. So, its example is para1. So if we type in, if we put para2, can we do that? What will happen? Well, will anything happen? Let's find out. Wow, it it actually played paragraph 2, but it did not change the color. Huh, so how do we change that? Well, we can do another P. Maybe this will change to, nah, it's maroon, no. Maroon, green. What about this? What will happen now? Well, it's purple now. But why is it purple? That's why it's purple. Because it says all paragraphs will be changed to the color purple and will be text aligned center and will have the font size of 20 pixels. So you can see now these are the same size. So that's why we can't do that. So these are practically useless. Alright. Next up we have nothing important, so we're going to go to backgrounds. Now, what if I want a background color? Well, we've already got a background color, so we don't need to do that. But what if I don't have the pound keys? And what if there's not a name for it? And I want like something cool. Well, here's what you do. Quote RGB parentheses however much you first I should know a little bit about RGB. RGB stands for red, green, blue. How much red is inputted, how much green is inputted, and how much blue is inputted. And it goes from 0 to 255. No higher than 255, no lower than 0. Now, if I put 255, 255, 255, that will make it gray. But what if I put 255, 218, 213? Let's see. Well, let's find out what happens. It makes it a white color. So let's not do that. We forgot to close the parentheses. I mean, not the parentheses, the quotation marks. So yeah, that's how you do that. Now, hold on. What if I want the background to be an image? Well, then what you do is you do body, background color. I mean, not background color. Background image. URL. Parentheses. Comma in the sky. Paper.gif. Or pizza.png or something like that. And then you can always do the simple oh, he looks sad. He looks happy. Some texts are not easy to read on the background image you choose, so try changing the names and moving it around or something. Background image. Repeat horizontally or vertically. So this image will be repeated horizontally, as you can see right here. You get the changes. And yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Alright, let's move on to CSS text. Text is basically like it's basically background color. You can change the name and stuff like that. A cool thing you can do with text though is you can do this. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and put this down here. And let's see what happens. We got a header 1, page 2, hello, and H3. Alright, so now if we go ahead and save this, see what it looks like. See that has a line over it, that has a line through it, and that has a line under it. And these are all below the headers. So yeah, let's move on to fonts. Fonts are a really cool way to spice up your paragraphs, because what if they're really boring? I mean, no one wants a freaking lame paragraph, because it sounds all monotone. Sorry. Alright, so let's just go ahead and see what this does. Does it do anything? No, it does not. Why does it not do anything? Well, because inside of the body, we did not put these. And with these, we can make it normal, italic, and oblique. I'm not quite sure what oblique is. I think it's a little more, it's like it's wider and it's italic. So like it's normal, but the letters are a little spaced out wider. Okay. So yeah, there is oblique, italic, and normal. Font size. Font size, you all know, it goes by pixels. And it does not work in Internet Explorer. We can also do percents of font size. So font size 100%, font size 2.5 EM. We don't need to learn about EM. What we need to learn about is pixel. Alright, now let's see. Now we're gonna do oh, I know what we can do. We can work on links. So we don't really need any of this right now. Let's go ahead and close style. Alright. And I need to open body. And I don't need a heading right now. Alright, so what we're gonna work on now. Okay, we're gonna work on links. So if we go ahead and put it in our style here, this will be links. So we can be a link can be blue. If it's to link, it could be purple. Hover link could be red. And a link that is active right now can be orange. Now if we just add a link, which I suddenly forgot how to do. Just kidding. Okay guys, I am back. And I went ahead and wrote up my link here, and we are about to find out what my link does. Alright, so as you can see right now, it is blue. Once we click it, you can see that it is orange for the moment. Whenever it gets clicked, and it's not like that now, but normally it will turn purple after it was clicked. So yeah. We didn't need the quotation marks, that's why it wasn't working. But yeah. So that's how you do links. You can see that right when I clicked it, it turned orange. And the hover feature was not working, but that's okay. Alright, we just have 2 more, guys. We have lists and we have tables, both of which are very simple. Alright, a list. There are 2 types of HTML lists. There's an ordered list and an unordered list. An unordered list. There's an unordered list and an ordered list is, well, here, hold on. We're just gonna, let me copy all of this and show you guys. Okay, as you can see, this up here is gonna be this is gonna be an unordered list. Circle, square, upper Roman, lower alpha. This is an unordered list, and will be an unordered list. And this is an ordered list, and the ordered list. And now we're going to see what this does. Alright, so let's just go to my desktop, go to my web page, drag it over here. And as you can see, it has 1, 2, and 3, or A, B, and C. And this just has random things. So you can see right here, they are actually pretty simple. We didn't need half of those. Actually, we didn't need more than half. Because normally we would have just picked this one, or we would just pick this one, or we would just pick this one, or we would just pick this one, even though it's my least favorite. So I did it last. And alright guys, and the final thing we will be doing in this tutorial is going to be tables. So to do tables, we're going to go ahead and do a collapsed order. We will talk about this one in depth because tables are actually really cool and they are my favorite. Okay, so as you can see the table is a border collapse, like what the border collapse is, and it will collapse. And the border is 1 pixel and it will be solid black. TH, first name, last name, Peter Griffin, Louis Griffin. Note, if in document type is not specified, the border collapse property can produce unexpected results in Internet Explorer 8 and earlier versions. So we will see what happens. Oh, wow. It has what we want. So this one is not very hard, as you can see. It's only 33 lines. And tomorrow, the video might be a little late because I'm going to put everything we've learned together. And I'm going to show you all what it looks like. What it decently looks like. So yeah, until then guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. I'm out. Goodbye.